three.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Michelle Wijaya, together with my colleagues, Michelle Wijaya and Muhammad Hairan Rafi, under the guidance of Mr. Erwin Halim, will present our paper entitled Analyzing the Factor Causing MSMES Resistance in Adopting Digital Technology. For the abstract, the study analyzed the factor that causing the suboptimal implementation of digital technology in the MSMES sector.
Okay, now we go into the introduction of our paper, where micro, small, and medium enterprises are very important for the Indonesian economy because they absorb more than 16.4 million workers. However, even though digital technology continues to develop and offers many opportunities, the digital adoption rate among Indonesian micro, small, and medium enterprises is still low. Only around 20% have utilized digital technology. This study aims to identify the main obstacle that hinder micro, small, and medium enterprises from digitally transforming so that it can assist the government and related parties in encourage micro, small, medium enterprises digitalization and increasing national competitiveness. For our research paper, we use Google Forms and use quantitative methods.
For the literature review, we have MS-MES context, technological context, environmental context, perceived usefulness, perceived ease of use, and intention to use digital technology.
Below, we will process data from our research. Based on the data we collected, this research was conducted in the Greater Jakarta area or Jabodetabek, namely Jakarta, Bekasi, Tangerang, Bogor, and Depok. Respondent range in age from 20 to over 14 with diverse educational backgrounds. We distribute a 50-question questionnaire through the Google Forms platform and successfully collect 219 respondents. Next, we're talking about research model. First, technological context influences perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use. Second, environmental context influences perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use. Third, micro, small, medium enterprises context influences perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use. Fourth, perceived usefulness influences intention to use digital technology, and perceived ease of use influences intentional to use digital technology.
So the table is show that all quality criteria for AFE are met. This value significant adequate confidentiality is it demonstrate that latest variable account for over 50% of the average variance of the post branding indicator. From the table of AFE value calculation result above, all AFE value are more than 0.5. These AFE values show how much influence the variable has on the decision of MSMEs that have not used digital technology. The test result show the one great hypothesis is not significant. So for the hypothesis result, with reference to the summary, the table, 7 of the 8 hypotheses correctly passed the test, while one failed. Back to manufacturer influencing to use of digital technology. This research seek to know why MSMEs do not make extensive use of digital technology and could that most of the factors studied, including PU, PC, and NSMS context, is found to influence the law everything in IT adopted by NSMS. So the conclusion for this research result indicate that the main barriers to MSMS digitalization include financial constraints, lack of digital skill, resistance to change, indicate technological infrastructure, and limited government regulation and support. Of the 8 hypotheses, 7 were supported by the data, and one was proven significant. So that's all from us. Thank you.